A video of Congress MP Shashi Tharoor purportedly showing him drawing a comparison between India and Pakistan was shared on social media. In the alleged video, the Thiruvananthapuram MP was heard speaking about how global narrative surrounding the two countries had changed over time. He was purportedly heard saying,
"The value of Indian lives seems to have diminished drastically under Modi's leadership. Meanwhile, the very neighbor once mocked as a puppet is now being acknowledged globally for its diplomacy and regional role."
However, the Press Trust of India's fact-check desk found that the statement attributed to the Congress leader had been digitally altered. The original video was from a talk show hosted by the India-Thai Chamber of Commerce in Thailand, in which Shashi Tharoor participated. At no point during the event did he make any remarks comparing India and Pakistan. The desk began its investigation by carefully analyzing the video. It observed the Mint logo in the top right corner of the video. Additionally, a text overlay indicated that the footage had been sourced from the YouTube channel of India-Thai Chamber of Commerce. Taking this as a cue, the desk conducted a customized keyword search in Google. The search led to at least 3 videos uploaded on the Mint's YouTube channel, all showing Shashi Tharoor in the same setting as seen in the viral clip. The desk analyzed all 3 videos individually. However, in none of them was Tharoor heard making the statement attributed to him in the viral video. In the first video, Tharoor advocated reforms to strengthen India's tourism sector. In the second video, the Congress MP responded to questions on why he would not join the BJP. In the third video, Tharoor said that the Indian private sector had come a long way but needed to adopt a more long-term approach and invest more in research and development.
We could create cultural tourism packages, inviting Thai tourists to come and partake of different cultural The BJP has organized itself principally around the idea of Hindutva. Now, I'm a proud Hindu. I've written books about Hinduism. Well, private enterprise is growing in India. There's no doubt about it. India was much, much more public sector oriented when I was growing up.
Thus, the analysis of all the 3 videos indicated that the statement attributed to Shashi Tharoor in the viral clip had been digitally altered. In the subsequent stage of the investigation, the desk extracted the audio from the viral video and analyzed it using the AI voice detection tool Resemble AI. The result indicated that the audio had been digitally manipulated. Subsequently, the desk concluded that the statement attributed to Shashi Tharoor in the viral video had been digitally manipulated.